The era of the forgotten iPad is officially over. For years, the tech world looked at the iPad mini as the odd child of the Apple family. The device that received updates only when Apple felt like it, often languishing with dated designs while the Pro and Air took all the glory. But as we stand here in 2026, a quiet revolution has reached its boiling point. Apple has finally realized that the most powerful computer in the world doesn't need to be giant. It needs to be invisible. This is the iPad mini 8, and it isn't just an incremental spec bump. It is a total re-engineering of what a handheld computer can be. If you've been holding on to an older mini or even the iPad mini 7, wondering when the Pro features would finally trickle down to the smaller screen, your wait is ending with a bang. The leaks coming out of the supply chain in early 2026 are not just exciting, they are disruptive. We are looking at a device that bridges the gap between the iPhone 18 and the MacBook Pro in ways we never thought possible. Let's start with the feature that will make you want to throw your current tablet out the window: the display. For a decade, the Mini has been trapped in the world of LCD. We suffered through jelly scrolling and lackluster contrast because Apple wanted to protect the iPad Pro's elite status. Not anymore. The iPad mini 8 is confirmed to be moving to an 8.5-inch OLED panel. This is a massive shift. We aren't just talking about deeper blacks. We're talking about a display that uses the same flexible OLED technology found in high-end smartphones to shrink the bezels to almost nothing. The screen is getting larger, but the footprint is staying the same. When you look at this device, you won't see borders. You'll see a floating window into your digital life. But why now? Because the competitive landscape of 2026 is brutal. With the rise of high-end folding phones that transform into small tablets, the iPad mini 8 has to prove its existence. Apple's answer is raw, unadulterated power. Under the hood, the iPad mini 8 is rumored to skip the line and feature the A20 Pro chip. This is Apple's first true 2-nanometer processor. To put that in perspective, we are talking about a 15% jump in raw speed and a staggering 30% increase in power efficiency. This isn't just for opening apps faster. This is for the agentic AI world we now live in. The iPad mini 8 is designed to be your personal AI hub, running massive localized models that used to require a desktop workstation, all while you're sitting in a coffee shop or on a flight to New York. One of the most shocking leaks of 2026 is the durability revolution. For years, the iPad was the one device you had to be careful with. You couldn't take it to the pool, and you certainly couldn't use it in the bath. But the iPad mini 8 is reportedly the first iPad to receive a full IP68 water resistance rating. Apple has achieved this by moving to a vibration-based sound system that eliminates traditional speaker holes. The chassis itself becomes the speaker diaphragm. By removing those ports, they've sealed the device against the elements. It's a design choice that makes the Mini 8 the ultimate travel companion for the American adventurer. Whether you're hiking in the Pacific Northwest or just lounging by a pool in Miami, this is the first go-anywhere iPad. But power and durability are nothing without the Apple Intelligence layer. In 2026, iPadOS has matured. We are no longer talking about simple Siri commands. We are talking about a system that understands your intent. With the A20 Pro's enhanced neural engine, the iPad mini 8 can track your workflows, summarize your hours